Good evening, everyone. Over the last 48 hours, the models have been pretty consistent, so we are gaining confidence in terms of the forecasted track and what kind of impact this storm is going to be having on us. So let's just get right into the details. Here's what we're expecting. Still expecting some light snow to start early Thursday morning. The worst of the storm is possibly going to be Thursday night into Friday. And what we're expecting is at least 6 inches of a very light, fluffy snow. We're going to have some very gusty winds on the order of 40 to 50 miles an hour. So driving outside Thursday night into Friday is going to be very dangerous. We're going to have very low visibilities, and the combination of a high tide and some gusty winds may also lead to some coastal flooding in eastern Massachusetts. We'll get more into the accumulations in a few minutes, but first let's get to the here and now. People are heading out for New Year's Eve. We're going to be seeing mostly clear skies, and we'll have maybe a few passing flurries later on this evening. But outside, very, very cold outside. Temperatures right now 24 degrees. When you factor in that wind chill values are down into the 20s. So if you're heading outdoors, expect to see mostly cloudy skies. Again, just a chance for a quick passing flurry. Should not be a big deal at all. But if you're heading out, here's what we're expecting for the rest of the evening. Clouds start to thicken up. Temperatures will continue to cool down, and by midnight tonight, we'll see those temperatures falling down to around 19 degrees and wind chill values down into the single digits. Cold air sticks around, and we'll have more on that storm coming up in just a few minutes.